Here's another 60 seconds at Fiat speed. Don't mind the tires on this Cobra. We're fixing this today. It's just hell, to be best described. Terrible weld job on a pretty nice car. A little bit of update again on the 240 tube chassis. We got our mark set. I think this weekend we're going to frame up the whole back of the car. Engine's taking a nap, and hasn't much changed since the last video, but we'll probably be moving at a slightly more rapid pace now. We got a couple of parts prototyped for the front end. Suspension is designed for the rear. Engine's in there still. That's about that. That's your 60 seconds of CS speed for the day.